If you've lost access to your Ameris Bancorp account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Ameris Bancorp website. Go to the official Ameris Bancorp website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Need Help link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Provide your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or providing personal information that matches what is on file with Ameris Bancorp. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Ameris Bancorp with recovery instructions. This email may contain a link to reset your password or further steps to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven to use before to enhance your account security. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Ameris Bancorp account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.